So you are looking for how to add a clickable link on your TikTok bio? Here's what you need to do. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to your profile. Now tap the edit profile button and here we'll see the add link option. But when you tap on it, and you might notice that there's no option to add a URL directly. So if that happens, don't worry, you just need to change one settings. So just go back from here and from your profile tap on the hamburger menu, then go to settings and privacy. And from here tap on account and now switch your account to a business account first. So once your account is set as a business account, go back to your profile and open edit profile again. Now tap on add link again and you will see that a URL option has appeared. So from here you can add any link you want, a website, Instagram profile or any other page. So just you have to copy the link and paste it here and just save it. And see, it's updated perfectly. So when someone taps on it, it will open the link you added. And that's it. That's how you can easily add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.